यस, यू रेड द टाइटल राइट। बाबूजी धीरे चलना। तो अब मार्केट में जो जिस तरह से मूवमेंट हो रहा है उस पर वी आर फाइंडिंग दैट देयर इज नॉट इनफ कॉन्फिडेंस, and within a few steps we are having some slippery situation. So what we really need to do is take a cue from the slogan of NSE, which is सोच कर समझ कर निवेश कर। उसको जरा ट्विस्ट करके आप उसे सोच कर समझ कर ट्रेड कर, क्योंकि मार्केट इज नॉट द सेम एनीमोर। वी हैव हैड अ फैंटास्टिक रन। अभी एक सैंटा क्लॉज रैली भी हो रहा है, तो पता नहीं ये रैली कब चली जाए। सो इट इज ऑलवेज बेटर टू कीप बुकिंग प्रॉफिट्स राइट नाउ, एंड ऑल्सो मे बी हैव अ हेज्ड पोजिशन, क्योंकि इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू बी द सेम एनी मोर, but there are going to be pullbacks, and then the pullback should be used to buy into. So the overall market situation does suggest that it has reached a point of stiff resistance. लेकिन who am I to say about the market? I am the follower of the trends, and whatever the trends suggest, I come here and share it with you. And do remember that market is about how you are able to get a view about what's happening, and that's what I try and convey in my market trap. My name is Raja Venkatraman, co-founder of NeoTrader and also your trading influencer. Been in the markets for more than 15 years, happily married with a loving wife and an energetic son who keeps me on the run just like the markets. Welcome, friends, once again. And this time, I'm going to be sharing with you some important levels. Hang on till the end. I'm going to be telling you what is the situation in the market, what are we looking at, and how we can structure our thinking so that शायद कुछ पैसे बन जाए, या शायद जो पैसे बने हैं अब तक उसको हम बचा सके। ऑलराइट, सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। अब चलता हूं चार्ट्स की तरफ इन अ स्टडी स्पेस, जिससे हमें पता चलता है कि हमें अभी काम करना है। बट लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं, कभी ना कभी मोमेंटम कम्स टू अ हॉल्ट, and once you get an indication from that, that is when you should revise your position. You should revise the way you are approaching the market, and that's how you can become a smarter and a profitable trader. तो चलिए हम देखते हैं अभी कि एग्जैक्टली अब मार्केट में किस तरह से मूवमेंट हो रहा है। अगर आप देखेंगे, there has been a nice steady rise over the last few sessions, and once you go and take a look at the situation out here, okay, you can see that the markets have been moving along well, and December ke mahine mein you saw a nice rally of 500 points, and then market has got into a bit of a tangle out here. What's really happening is किसी को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि एग्जैक्टली करना क्या है और अब हो रहा क्या है। सो यू कैन सी हियर दैट राइट नाउ द मार्केट इज ट्राइंग टू होल्ड ऑन टू अ जोन अराउंड 13,400, लेकिन जो ऑप्शंस में काफी सारा जो मैक्सिमम पेन पॉइंट जो एरिया है दैट इज समवेयर अराउंड 12,900, तो अब भी काफी रूम है। सो द मूव फ्रॉम 13,000 टू द करंट सिचुएशन हैज बीन क्वाइट रैपिड, बट देन देयर आर गोइंग टू बी सम पुल बैक्स। तो अगर आप यहां पर गौर से देखेंगे, तो चलिए मैं आपको यहां पर एक ड्रॉ करके बताता हूं। सो इफ यू कैन सी हियर, इट्स ऑलमोस्ट like a double top. So you can see here, this is a kind of a double top which I have drawn here. I just drawn a rough sketch here. So this height is somewhere around 200 points. So even if you take a minimum target, you have a zone of around 13,200, which actually forms a nice base around this zone. तो ये जो वैल्यू जोन है 13,200 की तरफ, तो आपको ध्यान देना है 13,400 पे। अगर 13,400 टूट जाए, so there is a possibility of the Nifty going towards 13,200, and that's why it becomes very important that you be a little careful right now, because at the summit you are seeing that the Nifty is getting exhausted. काफी थकावट दिखाई दे रहा है निफ्टी पे, और ये जो पॉइंट है थकावट का, इसको हम जाकर डेली चार्ट पर देखते हैं। ये देखिए, इसे मैं हटा देता हूं अभी। सो यू कैन सी हियर, दिस इज द वीकली चार्ट। वीकली चार्ट लुक्स फाइन, एवरीथिंग इज गुड, it's a hail and hearty move to the upside. Okay, so I have used the concept of ADX DMI. काफी interesting concept है. अगर आपको जानकारी नहीं है तो you can go and visit our website. There is a fantastic webinar done by Dr. Narayan on how to use ADX and how to trade it in a smarter way. So ADX is showing everything is fine, momentum is on the bullish side, everything is strong. But then जब आप टाइम फ्रेम एक लेवल नीचे जाते हैं, मैं अब इंट्राडे से लेके वीकली पर चले गया. Now I have come to the daily chart. So if you go to the daily chart, what you are seeing here, okay, what you are seeing here is a series of small body candle. Small body candle का मतलब है कि एक inconsistency in thinking, एक there is no agreement on the buying or on the selling. So you can see here a series of inconsistent candle formation. इसे डोजी भी कहते हैं. तो इस डोजी की वजह से एक बात साफ जाहिर है कि there is no clarity now on this upside. So I spoke about 13,200. That level I've got from the intraday. And if you can take a look at the ADX DMI also, you will see that it has actually gone up quite a bit right now and it is hinting. ठीक है, इसके लिए मैंने ये टाइटल यूज किया था कि बाबूजी धीरे चलना, क्योंकि इस मुकाम पर आपको जरा संभल के चलना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि एवरीथिंग इज नॉट इट्स नॉट अगेन अ बैरिश सिनेरियो. अब सब बेच देना चाहिए, लेकिन सावधानी से काम करना चाहिए. तो लेवल्स है निफ्टी पर बाई करने के लिए अराउंड 13,200 जो मैंने आपको इंट्राडे में बताया था. अब हम चलेंगे हमारे दोस्त के पास और हमारा फ्रेंड जो हमें गाइड करता है मार्केट में, विच इज नियो ट्रेडर. एंड यूजिंग नियो ट्रेडर, ओके, लेट्स ट्राई एंड फाइंड आउट व्हाट आर द एग्जैक्ट लेवल्स टू वॉच आउट फॉर. तो अगर आप देखेंगे हफ्ते के हिसाब से इंपॉर्टेंट जोन्स, right now Nifty is at 13,514 on the spot, and you can see here that there is a nice confluence zone around 13,570. So 13,570 जब क्रॉस कर पाए निफ्टी, there is a good possibility of a 200 point move. Why am I saying that? क्योंकि a next very good confluence, okay, एक पहला confluence आ रहा है, एक पहला पड़ाव at 13,671. There is a confluence with the multi-day. It is confluencing with the multi-day R2, and then you have got your R4 intraday with the multi-day R3. So यहाँ पर एक अच्छा कॉन्फ्लुएंस बैठ रहा है 13,780 पे, and the before that you have got 13,670 and then you have got 13,570. So a 100 step hurdle is there on the Nifty. So those who are active Nifty traders can focus on these levels, and that's how new trader helps you with these kind of confluence zones. And you can see here that even on a larger time frame basis, on a monthly basis, 13,530 एक अच्छा कॉन्फ्लुएंस जोन बैठ रहा है. सो आई वुड बी वॉचिंग दिस 530 to 560 जोन. यहां पर निफ्टी क्या करता है, क्या कर पाता है. We have already seen that yes, there is a intraday double top formation. Now we got to see whether Nifty is able to muster enough courage and go beyond that. Then and only then I would be a buy on a breakout zone in Nifty. Else I would rather wait for the pullback. All right. So ये था मेरा अनुमान निफ्टी के बारे में. अब हम चलेंगे बैंक निफ्टी पे, जो काफी दिग्गज मूव दिखा रहा है. एंड द वे बैंक निफ्टी इज मूविंग, एवरीवन फील्स दैट यस, the boss is back. But then let me just show you something which will make you rethink on that statement. अगर आप देखेंगे, this is the chart of Bank Nifty and this is the beginning of the year, and Bank Nifty, for your information, has not crossed this level at all, while Nifty has crossed the level. So Nifty and Bank Nifty, they are not moving together. For the trend to sustain and continue, both the indices should move in tandem. That's Dow Theory 101. But अब यहाँ पे है, Nifty has moved sufficiently past the January high, but Bank Nifty is still struggling. PSU banks are braving it out. प्राइवेट बैंक्स आर सेइंग अरे भाई हम थक गए, अभी थोड़ा रिलैक्स करना है. सो एक कॉन्फ्लिक्ट चालू है और इस कॉन्फ्लिक्ट के बीच हमें देखना है कि whether the NBFCs, financial services, all those guys are also going to pump up enough energy. Is everyone going to cheer Bank Nifty, or is it going to now suffocate at these resistance zone? So around 31,700 is a very stiff resistance, and you can see here that Bank Nifty is has almost reached that zone. तो उस जोन पर पहुंचकर अभी बैंक निफ्टी पे आपको पोजीशन एकदम फ्रेश पोजीशन लेना इट इज नॉट एडवाइजेबल, बट yes, if it exceeds this zone it's good. So let's go and take a look at the intraday. RSI is just crossing the 70 level, so which is an indication that the index is going into an overbought zone. अगर overbought zone में चली जाए, that doesn't mean anything. It just means that you got to be alert because it could reverse anytime. And you can see here Bank Nifty 2 is showing similar signs. लेकिन कोशिश जरूर जारी है, but then we got to see whether it is getting support from all the associated sectors and also mainly from the private banks and the NBFCs, because PSU खुद के बल पे it cannot take Bank Nifty much ahead. Now let's take a clue from our friend Neo Trader once again. Yes, you're right. So again, let's go back into the same concept of confluence zones. अगर आप देखेंगे यहाँ पर 30,770 is the first level which I am targeting, because that is in clear agreement and a confluence with your multi-day. तो आपका इंट्राडे हो गया, आपका मल्टी-डे हो गया, both are having a confluence as 30,770. So 30,770 क्रॉस करने के बाद it opens up more room to the upside. So what is the upside? Upside is possible till 31,350 where the higher resistance lie. जैसे कि मैंने आपको यहाँ पे बताया था, अगर आप डेली चार्ट पर जाएंगे तो let me go into the weekly chart so that you get better idea. So somewhere around this, okay, around this zone 31,300 to, you can keep on going higher, but then immediately it is already in this resistance zone, and around that resistance zone you're having a confluence of pivots. I strongly believe in pivots because pivots is actually closely linked with the price action, and it basically speaks for the price action and it is closely in link. And that's why pivot confluence, for those who have been watching my videos on a regular basis, I'm sure that you'll agree with me that this confluence works fantastic. It is the way to look at the markets. It is a way to find out whether you are on the right side of the trend or you are on the other side. All right. If you're watching this video for the first time, I would like you to go and hit a like on this video and also share this video with as many people as possible, because this kind of structured analysis is not done anywhere on the internet. So, and you can see here the kind of detailing which I have done. It's all with one aim. It's with an aim of giving you an insight. The insight will help you plan your trade. I have always believed that unless and until you don't have any clarity about what the market is doing, then whatever trade you take, it will always be in the wrong direction. And that's where Neo Trader comes up notches higher. It gives you the complete clarity, it gives you the confidence, and it gives you the way you should be looking at the market. So this is what I wanted to share with you today. I hope you like what I share. And if you did, please give a like on the video and also leave a comment, because your love and support is what which brings me back every time. And I will ensure that I come up with various ways to look at the indices, various ways to look at different stocks, and I'll be coming up with more exciting videos. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Stay safe, stay healthy. This is Radha Venkatraman signing off. I'm the co-founder of Neo Trader and also your trading influencer. Been in the markets for more than 15 years, happily married with a loving wife and an energetic son who keeps me on the run just like the market. So once again, I'm telling all my friends, Babuji Dheere Chalna. All right. See you all on. Have a good day.